Welcome to African Masters of Stone, in every sense unique. Entwined Birds, hand-carved from Springstone, this sculpture is very tactile. Unlike other forms of sculpture, it is unique since the stone is extremely hard and only used by the most experienced of sculptors. The piece is carved using a diamond-tipped chisel. It is then sanded for literally hours through varying degrees of sandpaper until the artist reaches 2,500 grade sandpaper. The sculpture is then heated and a polish is melted into the stone. Finally, it is buffered to leave this wonderfully tactile surface, whilst revealing the beautiful colours. Perhaps the perfect ornament to fill that special space, or maybe a different kind of gift for that special someone or occasion. The sculpture is suitable for inside or outside the home, requiring minimal care. Explore our collection today. Visit www.africanmastersofstone.co.uk.